Today, we're diving into the OEM remote key fob battery replacement for Benz, specifically tailored for models from 2017 to 2022, covering a wide range including the A, B, C, E, S, G-Class, GLA, GLB, GLE, GLS, CLA, CLS, EQC, and AMG. What you get here is not just a simple battery replacement kit, it's a comprehensive solution. The pack includes two CR2032 batteries, ensuring you've got a backup ready to go when needed. And the bonus? 3 opening pry tools to assist in hassle-free battery replacement. Now, let's talk about compatibility. These batteries are tested to seamlessly work with original equipment MB Smart Key remotes. So whether you're driving an A-Class or an AMG, you're covered. What's more, these are OEM original batteries, ensuring quality and reliability. They're designed to work flawlessly with FCC ID, IYZMS1, IFTL, ROMAMS 15-1041, IC 2701 AMS1 specifications, guaranteeing a safe and reliable performance. But what sets this apart? It's the convenience it offers. Say goodbye to scheduling battery replacement services or worrying about reprogramming your remote control. With this kit, you're in control, simplifying the entire process. And let's talk about longevity. Grade A cells CR2032 ensure longer battery life and lasting power, so you won't find yourself unexpectedly locked out due to a drained battery. Plus, these batteries are tested under strict quality control standards, giving you peace of mind. In conclusion, if you're a Mercedes-Benz owner within the specified model range, this OEM remote key fob battery replacement is a must-have. It's convenient, reliable, and ensures you're never left stranded due to a dead battery. So why wait? Upgrade your key fob battery today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.